Having a gun on your hip is not enough. You've got to train with it. I'm out here at the range today, and we're talking about training, not just plinking. And here, we've got 10 rounds. Okay? 10 rounds in the magazine. Now we've only got 8. Let's talk about how we can train with just the rounds that we have in our magazine. First thing I want you to do is take a couple of shots with both hands using your dominant hand. Now both hands using your other strong hand, your weak hand. Now shoot one hand only with your weak hand. Now one hand only with your strong hand. Now we're out of ammo. Every single round that you fire should have a training value attached to it. Don't just stand here and plink at 25 yards. Do something different, build up your skills. Having a gun on your hip is not enough. Train with it every single day. If you like these videos, please share them with all your friends, and remember to subscribe to this page. We'll give you more great information every week. Let's keep this conversation going. What do you do with every magazine to improve your skills? Tell us down below.